Right.
Okay, so this is our code, and we use the everin file. Okay, so bar 1 got double word, mean it got 4 byte and 32 bits. And 2 digits mean 1 byte, so it got 8 digits. So 00, 1 byte, 00, 1 byte, 01, 1 byte, and 00, 1 byte. So it's 4 byte, total 4 bytes. Okay. Bar 2 also double words, and it got double words means it got 8 digits, 40000. Vowel 3 also double words, 2000. And the final vowel, this symbol is uninitialized byte. Okay, so mean 0000. Okay, so now we press this, then set for.
Continue. View.
Okay, build.
Yep.
Okay, build. Okay, wait until it's success or this success, then we start debugging. Okay, start debugging. Start debugging. Okay, start debugging. And we need to open
Five.
five things, which is watch. Okay, watch, auto, memory, this assembly, and register. Okay, so open this all. Okay, first, where are the watch haven't
Watch.
open.
Yeah.
Watch. So okay, so now we see the memory of the vowel one. This is the default memory, and because uh it uses little endians, so it will start with alphabet B. So 00, 00, 00, 00, 01, 01, 00, 00. So start with alphabet B. Okay, so now we add the watch vowel 3. Okay, 2000 and the final vowel. Final vowel 0000. Okay, now we see the register. Okay, so now we start. So we will move the vowel one to the EAX. EAX act as the destination. So EAX will become the 1000. Okay, so F10. Okay, so EAX becomes the 1000. Okay, so we add vowel 2 to EAX. So now will become to 500. F10, press F10, then 500. And subtract vowel 3 to EAX. That means 500 will subtract the vowel 3 to 000. So we press F10. Okay, so now 300. And now we move the EAX to the final vowel and we press F10. Okay, so the final vowel 3000. Okay, same as the EAX. Okay, so now we watch the auto. Okay, auto. Okay, so we press F10. So it will press F10. It will EAX. Move vowel one to EAX. So EAX will become 1000. So EAX 1000. Okay, so now we add vowel two to EAX. Okay, so it will become 1000 plus 400 is 500. Okay, then the next is subtract vowel three. Okay, so 3000 and the final vowel. Okay, final vowel become 3000. Okay, so now we see this assembly. Okay, okay. First we show the address, the uh
Memory address
memory address
of the instruction.
of the instruction, and this address is this address is the is let this all by code to store is the place that let this all code to store. Okay, so we open the symbol name. So val 1, val 2, val 3, and final val. And I show code byte. Okay, show code byte, and we'll show this. And this is a bytecode which will store inside the address instruction and source code. Okay, source code is the original code from the main SSM at okay, and the short line number. Okay.
All right. So next, I will trying to show the lab 1C. So it's the pub C. And first, we need to show the data. So we have variable W1. It use the word type. So it have a 2 byte. So 2 byte is 0, 0, 1 byte, 10 is 1 byte. And the second variable is val W2. So it's also use word, and the value is 4,000. And the third variable is value val W3 is use the word and same as a, and the value is 2,000. And the final value what this variable is uninitialized, so the value is 0, 0. So we got the another variable, so also is where but b1, and the byte and the type of the byte is byte, and which is 1 byte only, so it's only have 10. And variable b2 and 40, and the variable b3 is byte is 20. And also the final variable is uninitialized, so which is content 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is byte. And now I'm trying to show the progress. I'm showing the debugging process. So first, we need to put a red dot on the main function, and then try to build this code. Okay. After it, need to press start debugging. Right, wait for it. Okay, and then wait. Okay, so now I will start the debugging process. So first, you need to open file thing, which is watch and auto, memory. Sorry, that one is registered, but also need to open up. So memory one and what left? Okay, this assembly. So I need to open register. All right. So here is the whole code, and we need to press F10 to execute the instruction. Oh, no. First of all, I want to show the default memory address of the variable one, variable what one W1. Okay. So as you can see the memory, this is the memory address, and inside contain 4 byte, which is 0, 0 and 10. Okay. And the watch, I already insert the variable, all the variable inside the watch, so we can see the variable the value that contain in the variable by line. So first need to press F10 to execute the instruction. So first need to press F10. As you can see, the variable W1 will sends the value into the destination AX. So you can see the register EAX, will become 1000. Okay, and then next instruction is add 4000 into the AX. So you can see the previous 1000 become 5000, and then next is subtract 2000, so it will become 3000 because the 5000 extract 2000 is become 3000, and this register will move its value into the variable final var w. So you can see the wash the final var value start from 0, and when I press F10 it will become the 3000. So that means the value from the register AX will move into the final var value. And when I press call down register, right? When I press call down register, it will show all the value from the register. Okay, so because it got two instructions, so the another instruction is move AH. So this the next instruction. So I will show it from auto. I'll show it from auto. And when move AH, that means variable that B1 will send the value into the AH register. Okay, when I press F10, so the AH will become 10 byte. Okay, and okay, I'll show the default memory. Default memory. So B1, that means only 1 byte. Okay, you already send the 1 byte into the AX, and after it I press F10. So now it's line 31, and when I press F10, okay, when I press F10, it will add 4 byte into the AH, 4 byte into AH, so it becomes 50. Okay, and then next variable 3 will subtract it. So when it subtract it, okay, the variable 3, and then the register AH will become the 30, and after it need to send the AH, the value from the AH register into the final var B. And when I press F10, so the value from the AH will send to the final var B, so it becomes 30 in the final value. Okay, so after I press the F10 button, so it will call all the register, and it will show the all register value. Okay, that's it. And this assembly will show the arrest. You can see the arrest of the instruction, and you can see the code byte from the instruction, because the computer need to this programming will convert the machine code into for machine, so need to convert to the byte code, and this byte code will send to this memory. We will send to this memory, and you can see the source code, and this source code is is this one source code, is the assembly original code lah. Okay, so start debugging. Okay, so and you can show the line number in the disassembly and show the symbol none. So that's all from us, and I think this the all we show the uses of Microsoft with Visual. Thank you.
This meeting is being recorded.